It's me, Mia, and today I'm going to show you another art. It's the love paper. It says, "You are my love," with some nice hearts and So how to make this? You'll need 2 papers, a pen, a scissor, and also some crayons. Okay, so first you get some of your papers, and then you draw with a pen a circle. That's the eye. And then you color in, and then you touch it out. So you touch the eye, and then you touch the eye with a scissor. Touch the whole side of it. And it's okay if you make a hole, because you're going to stick it in the other piece of paper. Okay, so now we got here our eye, and then we take the other piece of paper, put that aside, and then, oops, I almost forgot. We need some tape. Okay, so you take the tape, and then you touch it with the scissor. Then you get your eye. Then you fold the tape. Until it's a shape like this. And then you stick it on. And then you get another. And then do the same thing for the other and the other. Okay. I got 3. We actually need 4. So I'm just going to top 1 more and fold it. It might be a little hard, so ask a grown-up for help. Or if you can do it, you can just stick it on. Okay. Oh, actually, we need 5. So, just 1 more. Just crumple the not perfect ones, if you like. To this kind of shape. And then you do this, and then you do it. Do it. And just that, and do it. Do it. Hey, Jake Randy. Okay. So okay.
Dice mamita, ya está limpia.
Okay.
Te dijo, vamos a poner aquí.
Pero Mama. Okay. My mom's fixing my teddy bear. Don't mind it. And so we stick it on the other piece of paper.
Mira, ya está limpia, mira.
Okay. And then
De nada.
you write with a pen and say you are my love. Okay. If you can't spell these words, then ask the grown-up. So you can ask the grown-up to spell. And then you take out your crayons and then you put little hearts. We can put as many hearts, but you have to follow me, and that's the most important thing because I know best, better than grown-ups. Also, I'm the smartest. I'm even smarter than you. Well, I watch a lot, so I'm not even getting smarter. And there you go. Your very own love paper. Now you can write a card in the back. I love you. I claw. And that's it. Okay. See you next time for more art. Go to MiaKidsTeams.com.